Most people waste 10 hours every single week, not because they're lazy, not because they're bad at their job, but because they're doing things manually that AI can do for them in seconds, sending emails, building presentations, taking notes, organizing tasks, designing graphics, all of it. Done by AI, for free. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly 5 free AI tools that will give you those hours back. Starting today, let's get into it. Before we start, a quick note. Every single tool in this video is 100% free. No credit card, no hidden fees. You can sign up and start using them in the next 5 minutes. I picked these 5 specifically because they're beginner-friendly. You don't need any technical experience. If you can use Google, you can use these. Alright, tool number 1. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. I know, you've probably heard of it, but most people are using it wrong. Here's what the average person does. They type a question, they get an answer. That's it. Here's what smart people do. They use ChatGPT as a thinking partner. For example, let's say you need to write a professional email to a client. Instead of spending 20 minutes choosing every word carefully, you type, write a professional email to a client explaining that their project will be delayed by 1 week. Keep it polite and solution-focused. In 3 seconds, you have a perfect email. Or let's say you just read a 30-page report and you need the key points. You paste it into ChatGPT and type, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Done. In 10 seconds. The average professional spends 2 to 3 hours per day on emails and documents. ChatGPT cuts that in half. Minimum. It's free at chat.openai.com. Link is in the description. Tool number 2. Notion AI. Here's a problem almost everyone has. Your tasks are everywhere. Notes on your phone, to-do lists in your head, deadlines in your email, ideas on random pieces of paper. Notion fixes this. It's a workspace where everything lives in one place. But here's where it gets powerful. Notion AI. You can type your messy, disorganized notes, and Notion AI will automatically turn them into a clean, structured document. Create a task list from a meeting summary. Write a first draft from bullet points. Summarize long pages into short ones. I use it for everything. Project planning, content ideas, meeting notes. And the best part? The free plan is more than enough to get started. Go to notion.so, completely free. Tool number 3, Gamma. Quick question. How long does it take you to build a presentation from scratch? 2 hours, 3 hours, choosing colors, picking fonts, aligning every single element. Gamma does it in 30 seconds. Here's how it works. You go to Gamma.app. You type your topic. Something like, a presentation about social media marketing for small businesses. You press generate. And in less than 30 seconds, Gamma gives you a complete, beautiful professional presentation. Full slides, clean design, real content. And it's not just pretty. The AI actually understands your topic and writes relevant content for each slide. You can edit everything after. Change colors, add images, rewrite text. But the hard part, the blank page is out the Ubaitantins in distance by slide per bike and per NB. By nouns, Albata Stiker B, already done for you. Gamma is free at Gamma app. Tool number 4, Otter.ai. This one is for anyone who sits in meetings. Here's the problem with meetings. You're trying to listen, and take notes at the same time, and think of questions, and track action items. It's too much, and you always miss something. Otter.ai solves this completely. You open Otter during any meeting, Zoom, Google Meet, in person, doesn't matter. Otter listens, Otter transcribes, in real time, every word, automatically, but it goes further than just transcription. After the meeting, Otter gives you a full written transcript, a short summary, a list of action items, key topics that were discussed, everything you need in one document, automatically. No more, wait, what did we decide? No more lost notes. No more missed action items. Otter.ai. Free plan available. Link in the description. Tool number 5, Canva AI. Let's be honest, most people can't design, and that's completely fine. But in today's world, you still need professional-looking visuals, social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, flyers, business cards. Canva was already the easiest design tool on the internet. But now, with Canva AI, it's something else completely. Here's what you can do with Canva AI. Magic design. Type what you want, like Instagram post for a coffee shop sale. and Canva generates 10 beautiful designs in seconds. Magic Write. Need text for your design? AI writes it for you. Background Remover. One click. Removes any background from any photo. Instantly. Text to image. Type a description. Canva generates a custom image. No photographer needed. Before Canva AI, creating one good design took 45 minutes minimum. Now, under 5 minutes. Even if you've never designed anything in your life. Free at canva.com. So let's do a quick recap. Tool 1, ChatGPT, for writing and thinking faster. Tool 2, Notion AI, for organizing everything in one place. Tool 3, Gamma, for presentations in 30 seconds. Tool 4, Otter.ai, for never missing anything in meetings. Tool 5, Canva AI, for professional designs without a designer. 5 tools, all free, and together, they can easily save you 10 hours every single week. Now here's my question for you. Which of these 5 tools are you going to try first? Leave a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more tools like these, subscribe to this channel. Because next week, I'm covering 5 more AI tools, but these ones are for making money. You don't want to miss that. See you in the next one.